Hi everyone, welcome back. As per my previous video, I had told I would be going for vacation to Kerala, and yes, me and kids are in Kerala now. My husband would be joining only next month. So this video is just a simple short vlog taken on the day of travel and some glimpses from Kerala. Now, I'm not going into any cleaning part. I had put my pre-travel vlog earlier. But this time not much deep clean since my husband would be in Riyadh and he would anyway call someone for help once in a week. So I hope you would like this video. Keep watching. Usually I slowly do the packing part 4 to 5 days earlier or at least 2 days, but this time it was much delayed and I packed everything the previous day. That's my handbag. Kitchen is all clean. Mine and kids' outfits are ironed and kept ready the previous night. That's my husband. He is in between his office time, just came in to drop us at the airport. Time to leave. That's the airport, King Khalid International Airport. He's leaving soon as he had a lot of work at office. Our flight was Oman Airways. The flight was at 5:20 p.m. We reached airport at 2:30 p.m. and the waiting time was more. Rihan loves to write stories and he's all into it. And this tiny man is all restless. Time for boarding. Off we flew. It was a connection flight. It took 2 hours from Riyadh to Muscat. I chose to have veg and that was whole wheat with spinach and it actually tasted really good. I'm usually not much satisfied with flight foods but this was really good. Arman had his meal earlier as I had chosen child meal for him online, so his food came in soon. That's almost like a chaat with boiled potatoes and red beans and it was really good. For the dessert was something like a cheesecake. Time to land and that's Oman. The gate wasn't showing on the screen. We had 2.5 hours more for the next flight, so thought of having something. Arman wanted ice cream. Rihan chose chocolate croissant twist and hot chocolate. I went for latte. A3 was the gate for the flight to Calicut.
I'm very Spider-Man.
I was happy that there was something to entertain the kids. Otherwise, traveling 3.5 hours would be really difficult. But because of this, they didn't sleep at all. That's his child meal again. Rice and dal with some veggies. This too tasted good. I personally liked everything about the flight and the airport. Time to get ready for landing. Waiting for the luggage, and it took a lot of time. Kids were too tired. Finally out, and that's my little niece Eva. That's my father-in-law. My mother-in-law is sitting next to me, but it's too dark, you can't see. And that's my father. Finally at home. After getting fresh, had some food. That's idiyappam and veg curry. Then me and kids took a nap for some time. By the time we woke up, Mom had already prepared chicken biryani. I didn't take much videos on the day of arrival, wasn't in that mood anyways. Was tired too and wanted to have some chit chats with family. Later night, kids had already slept and I was unpacking and arranging everything into the wardrobe, as it would be really easy if it's done on the day of arrival. So that's for today's video. Shall come up with more Kerala vlogs and recipes, maybe few trip vlogs too. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for updates. See you with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.